Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to create a new account for Fedex. So let's go ahead and dive into the video straight. The first thing to do is to open your Fedex application on your preferred device. If you don't have the application downloaded yet, you can visit your App Store or your Play Store and get the application downloaded first. Once it is downloaded, tap on the app icon or tap on the open button to launch Open Fedex application. Soon after you open up the app, this will be the first interface. In order to create a new account, tap on Get Started, swipe up to continue, and go through the information. Now, select if you'd like to open up a personal account or business account. Also make sure to choose what you'd like to do the most from the platform. After you make your selection, tap Continue, and on the next page, you can set up your app preferences for turning on notification, location, and allowing camera access. Allow necessary permission for the app and tap on Continue. On the next page, you will need to enter your contact information. Type in your first name in the first text box. Enter your last name, your address, your phone number, and then your email address. Once you are done filling in the details, click Continue. On the next page, you will need to create your user ID and password that you'll be using while logging into the account. In the user ID text box, type in a user ID you'd like to use for yourself. You can also choose to use email as your user ID. To do so, simply toggle on the button right next to Use email as user ID. On the next field, you'll need to now create a password. Create a password that is at least 8 characters long. It must include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Re-enter the password on the next field once again, and right where you can see Secret Question drop-down, tap the drop-down and select a secret question. Answer the secret answer in the text box and agree to the terms and conditions of Fedex. And finally, tap Sign Up. Now you have successfully created your account, and this will be the main homepage for your Fedex account. Once opening up a Fedex account, you can save on shipping costs, easily find and track previous shipments, access complimentary FedEx Express packaging, and much more. And that is how you should be able to open up a new account for Fedex. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.